Homemade. Today I'll be opening some packs on futwiz and see who we get. So yeah, I wasn't recording. I got Ronaldo 94 inform, and I was like, I have to record these packs. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's start opening these packs on futwiz. So first pack will be CDM. And Chavi Long Nose doesn't sell for anything. I'm waiting for that sniper, like snipe. Sorry about the voice. There's something going on. Costa, not that bad. It's not that good, but it's blah. No, nobody. Okay. So yeah, this is our third back. Sorry about that. My dad just wonders sometimes, and he's like, he knows that I'm a YouTuber, and it's like, huh, who are you talking to? Just like, I'm talking to the camera, and he's like, wait, what? He's like, a laugh. So yeah, next one, Falcao. He sells for nothing. Goalkeeper, Buffon. Yes, there you go. Finally, a good player. We got Mascherano as well. It's a center back from Belgium company. So, and Trap and Torre, Yaya Torre, Trap and company. Yes, that's my best pack so far. Oh my god, here go next pack. Here go. My gosh, here go. That's a good pack. Here go. Give me an Boating. Yes, Boating and Inform. Wow, these are so good. Oh my god. There you go. Next pack. I'm waiting. Oh my Cavani! I know he's good. He doesn't sell. He sells not that. He doesn't sell. He sells less than that. I thought it was Suarez. I'll be going crazy. Here we go. Next pack. Cam from Finland. And I go. The best player on Finland. He doesn't sell. That's the reason. Neymar! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! 1 million! 1 million! Oh my god! What? Oh my god! No, I just passed somebody. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Neymar! Yes! 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 Here we go. We'll be opening 5 more of these, and hopefully we could get Messi. Oh, company. I like you. It's just DPay. He's good. Oh, I want to get Messi or Ronaldo. I did get Messi. That's my center back Pepe. 3 more packs. Oh my god. Actually, not 3 more. We'll do actually a couple more. A lot more actually. Goalkeeper. Oh, Leno. He's good, but I thought it was Neuer. I got Neuer once. Here you go, next pack. Oh, Vidic. My. What's the point of you? Oh, inform, but it's a terrible one. Just give me somebody good. Goalkeeper. It's Alves. Wow. Diego Alves. Wow. These packs are having so bad luck for me right now. Goalkeeper, it's Bravo. He's at 83. That's good, but it doesn't sell. Wayne Rooney, yes, finally a good player. Wayne Rooney, it's that Juan Wayne Rooney Cavani makes me feel better. Oh my god. Sorry about the music. Cam Di Maria, yes, finally a good player. And then Farm. They're both. Oh my, that's a lot. Okay, that's a moneymaker there. Here we go. Yes, please tell me. Cam. Royce. Yes. Joya Torre as well. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. These packs are hype. Two good left wings. Royce and Neymar. Oh my god. And Yaya Torre. Look at that. Here we go. Next pack. Cellini. Yes. That's a good one. Cellini. Doesn't sell for anything, but he's the best player in Italy. Here you go, please. Give me Di Maria. I already got ya, bro. There you go. I'm waiting for the Ronaldo. Here you go. I'll be right back, and I'll come back when I think I got a good pack. Oh my god, guys! I just got. Oh, sorry about that. I just got Thiago Silva. Yes. Let's open a couple more. 5 more of these packs.
Made you some sausages.
Thank you. Here we go. Next pack. Oh my god! 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 Yes, I just got Ronaldo. Oh my god, Ronaldo and Boateng. Oh my god, I'm going so. Oh my god! Oh. Oh my god! Ronaldo and Boateng. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ronaldo, yes, I have to keep on going. I'm waiting for that Messi. Oh. Ah! Be right back when we just got Eden Hazard, guys. We just got Hazard. Yes. Yes. Okay. I just got Eden Hazard and Ronaldo, bro. Oh my god. But yeah, 2 more packs after this. So hopefully we get somebody good or bad. Santa Claus. The elf. He gave me good luck. I'll send back at Barcy. He's sorry. This will be the last pack of the pack opening, so I won't. So we'll just see who we get. It's the striker, Ibra. Oh yes, Ibra, bro. Ibra. Yes, that's a good pack. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, give a link. See you in the next one, and bye.